Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Super Mario Bros. Crossover on Android only way. Download the official launcher app and follow these steps to set up the game safely. First, enable installation from trusted sources in your settings, then move the game files to the designated folder. Next, open the launcher, grant the required permissions, and import the ROM. Finally, customize controls and save your profile. Start by verifying your ROM file and any patches for integrity, using a checksum tool if needed. Next, place the ROM and supplemental files into the launcher's import folder on your device and avoid renaming files unless instructed. Keep a backup in cloud storage or on a separate drive so you can restore files if something goes wrong. These precautions keep your setup stable and easy to recover. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides. Quick recommendation: pick up leak-proof containers for easy snack prep between sessions. They keep sauces sealed and lunches tidy while you game. I find them handy for long play days or couch co-op marathons. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Open the launcher and allow storage, input, and other permissions it requests so files can be accessed. Import the ROM and apply any official patches through the app interface, then map controls for comfortable play whether using touch or a Bluetooth controller. Tweak audio and video settings to balance visuals and performance, and enable save states for quick checkpoints during tricky levels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.